Hey guys, Tammy Russell, your Outer Banks realtor here, and we are in the home stretch at 960 Corolla Drive on this beautiful new construction. We're going to go in and take a look and show you some of the things that have been happening over the last couple of weeks. So outside we've got our driveway poured, the painting on the exterior is done. We still have light fixtures and things to go in up here, and we're still waiting on the concrete to go out by the pool, but a lot of progress has been being made. When we come up here, you can see there's actually a big storage area under here, which is awesome for all your beach equipment. The lower level is where we have our game room. We're going to be outfitting this with a pool table, a game table, so that you can hang out with family, friends, really enjoy the space. And then it's going to lead right out to the pool area. And like I say, we're still waiting on the concrete, but this is going to be awesome. We've got a pergola here. Just gonna be a really nice space. They're gonna do volleyball area behind the pool. So again, just kind of something for everybody here in this floor plan, the way the whole project is being laid out. You're gonna have your kitchenette area down here. Makes it perfect if you just wanna come in and grab a drink, you're out by the pool. This is your elevator shaft. Still waiting for the elevator to be installed. You do have a half bath down here. We've got our cabinetry installed. We're coming to template for countertops here in a couple of days. You also have huge laundry area, and there's going to be quartz in all the bathrooms, the kitchen, and even the laundry area, which is really awesome. Nice sized bedroom here on this ground level. Again, cabinets are in. Really beautiful tile shower. We're going to have glass doors here so that you can really take in the beautiful tile shower as soon as you walk into the bathroom. The flooring is covered to protect it, but it's all LVP flooring. So luxury vinyl plank, which is extremely low maintenance. It's perfect for a beach house. Then as we go up to the next level, this is where 4 of the bedrooms are located. One of the things I especially love about this floor plan is all the natural light and the fact that you have access to the decks from all the bedrooms. Now in here, they went for kind of a spa-like feel. We've got the tumbled pebble accent in the tile shower. Again, you're going to have the glass doors here in the shower. And this is going to be your elevator coming up to the second floor. They went with a navy subway tile as the accent in here in this tile shower. And very on trend, we've got navy cabinetry with the antique brushed brass hardware. We're also going to have the brushed brass for the faucets, for the shower, for the light fixtures. So it's going to give a really nice high-end look. This is going to be your bunk room. And lots of natural light in here. We've got those beautiful navy cabinets over here as well. And I think this might be my favorite tile in the whole house. So it's a little dark in here. We obviously don't have power yet, but they did a really pretty fish scale design. And you have your tub here. And this is a Jack and Jill bath. So both of these bedrooms can access that bath. This is going to be outfitted with 2 twin beds. So it gives a lot of functionality to the floor plan. And then as we head up to the top level, You have your half bath here. And then your main living area with really nice high ceilings. Again, just tons of natural light. They did not skimp here when it comes to all the windows and sliders. You're going to have your fireplace, a nice big area to mount your TV. Got shiplap accents on the fireplace as well as the back of the bar, an island area. There will be navy subway tile as the backsplash. Really beautiful quartz countertops. Oh, here you can see just a really nice big deck area. And then we're going to look down over the pool. Really big pool. One of the best things about the Whalehead community is the size of the lots here. You're looking at about a half acre, which is just unheard of on the Outer Banks to have lots this big. So it really gives you a lot of elbow room and a lot of privacy. The other nice thing is that we're conveniently located right between two easy beach accesses. So I hope you've enjoyed this update on 960 Corolla Drive. If you would like to schedule a showing, please reach out. You can give me a call, shoot me a text. Happy to help. Furniture will be ordered here soon, so this is going to be completely turnkey, ready to go for either your second home enjoyment. If you want to put it in a rental program, it's going to be very easy to do.